Does AAA jumpstart hybrid cars? If you own a hybrid car and are wondering about jumpstart services, you are in the right place. Many drivers have questions about how roadside assistance applies to their vehicles. So, does AAA provide jumpstart services for hybrid cars? The answer is yes. AAA offers jumpstart services for hybrid vehicles just like they do for traditional gas-powered cars. When you find yourself with a dead battery, AAA roadside technicians can come to your location and perform a jump start. They are trained to handle hybrid car batteries, which often use absorbent glass mat technology. This means they can safely assist you without any issues. In addition to jump starts, AAA also provides battery testing and diagnosis. This helps determine if a jump start is enough or if a battery replacement is necessary. If your hybrid battery needs to be replaced, AAA can install a high-quality AAA-branded battery right on the spot. They even recycle your old battery for you, making the process easy and eco-friendly. AA's roadside assistance is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, nationwide for members. This means you can get help whenever you need it, day or night. Just think about how comforting it is to know that help is just a phone call away. It's also worth noting that fully electric vehicles cannot be jump-started. If you have an electric vehicle, AAA will tow it to the nearest charging station instead. This is an important distinction to keep in mind if you own both a hybrid and an electric vehicle. From an auto insurance perspective, having AAA roadside assistance can add value to your policy. It helps you avoid being stranded due to battery issues, which can reduce the risk of roadside incidents or towing claims. This peace of mind is a great benefit for any driver. AAA also makes it easy to request assistance through their mobile app or by calling their service line. This convenience means you can get help quickly, minimizing stress during an already frustrating situation. In summary, AAA does jump-start hybrid cars and offers a range of services to support drivers with modern vehicle technology. With their reliable roadside assistance, you can feel confident knowing that help is always available when you need it.